It's a Monday morning in March 2026. You wake up, get ready for work, and realize you're low on gas. You pull into your local station, but the price on the sign makes your heart stop. $9.50 per gallon. You think it's a mistake, a glitch, but then you check the news. The grocery store shelves are thinning. Milk is up 40%. The American dream is suddenly feeling like an American nightmare. And the reason isn't a local thief. It's a ghost haunting a narrow strip of water 7,000 miles away. Chapter 1. The night the world changed. To understand how we got here, we have to go back to the 28th of February 2026. Under the code name Operation Epic Fury, the United States and Israel launched a strike that shook the foundation of the Middle East. It wasn't just another skirmish. It was a decapitation strike. The old regime is gone, but what rose in its place is far more dangerous. Iran realized they didn't need nuclear bombs to win. They just needed to hold the world's breath. They turned their eyes toward a tiny 1 mile wide choke point, the Strait of Hormuz. Chapter 2. The choke point, the world's heartbeat. Imagine the world's economy as a human body. The oil is its blood. And the Strait of Hormuz? That's the main artery. Every single day, 20% of the world's oil and LNG flows through this narrow gap, and right now, that artery is being squeezed. Since early March, Iran has effectively closed the strait. Tankers are anchored, afraid to move. Insurance prices have skyrocketed. When a tanker stops in the Middle East, a truck stops in Texas. When a truck stops, your grocery prices explode. This is the invisible war, and you are on the front lines every time you swipe your credit card. Chapter 3. The American Dilemma. War or poverty? President Trump promised to drill, baby, drill. But even record U.S. production can't fix a global supply shock this massive. The U.S. is now trapped. If we send more boots on the ground to reopen the strait, we risk another forever war that could cost trillions. But if we stay out, gas could hit $15. Inflation could hit 10%. The very fabric of American life is being tested. For the first time in decades, the price of freedom is something you can calculate at the gas pump. The conclusion. The final question. We aren't just watching history, we are paying for it. The shadow war isn't just about missiles and drones anymore. It's about whether you can afford to drive your kids to school or put meat on the table. What is your price? I want to ask you something, and I want you to be honest. Is keeping the world's oil flowing worth the risk of a full-scale ground war? Or should the US bring everyone home and focus on our own borders, even if it means gas stays at $10 for years? Drop a comment below. I'm reading every single one. Tell me how these prices are hitting your family. Let's start the conversation.